Welcome back to the channel. You are tuned into Never Done Projects, where we never stop having fun, and we never stop making our cars faster. If you enjoy burnouts, you're in the right place! Let's go.
All right, everybody, we are getting real close and we're running around back and forth, and not able to do any kind of recording because we're really running around doing a bunch of small stuff. But I'm going to turn you around here while Randy notches out this this board for the gas line and the water hose. So let's watch him. Let's watch Randy in action.
Let's see if I can screw this up. I hope not. You never know.
Let's hold on.
Bets now. How am I gonna screw it up?
Remember, we got caulking. Just don't hit the table. Now start here and cut to that corner.
Oh crap, the people on the internet are gonna be pissed. I don't have on glasses.
That's fine. They're more interested in you making square holes for round hoses.
Call me a freaking magician.
I told him, I said minimum. I said minimum cutout, and he makes square holes for round hoses. But hey, we got caulk and foam. I'll carry y'all in here and show you where we're at. Watch this door. Y'all look at that door. Woo!
Auto shut.
It does. It does like to shut on its own. All right, everybody. Let's see how far y'all off he is. Holy moly, look at there.
It's almost like
just about like he knew how to make a square hole.
All right,
everybody. He gonna screw that down right there.
Right there.
Be right back.
Everybody's watching you. Do not screw up. I'm watching you. Look, there's still glare on his head. And just like that, we're gonna have shelves for shampoo and soap. Because we shower. He might not, but I do.
Y'all caught me in the shower, so I don't want to hear it.
He's still in the shower.
Hurry!
Alright, so we're going to repeat this exact same process over there. Oh, hold on.
Yeah, no, there's just
Alright. Not sure why, but the 360 said I'm done recording for right now. Don't tell me we're running into that SD card. Processing's not fast enough anymore. That's why I don't get to use my 1.5 terabyte anymore. Shame on you, SanDisk. Screw. Screw you. Alright, let's repeat the process on the other side. Because you got to give it a shake and say it ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, it ain't going nowhere. Welcome back, everybody. Another day has been completed. I probably look like I feel like crap. That's neither here nor there. Listen, it's the end of Thursday, alright, and leaps and bounds of progress have finally been made again. Every day's been leaps and bounds. Who the hell am I kidding? Well, listen, let's do a final walkthrough of what we've done. Obviously, you saw we hung the door. This thing is pretty large. Ooh. And you see it is dark because my light switch works. Ta-da! Let's see. I do have the hole drilled for the drain. That was a bear. Let's see. We will have to put some kind of door handle or something on here. But in the meantime, works just right. Y'all can't feel it, but it is colder than a witch's boobie up in here. In a brass bra. Let's see. Didn't really see us putting that together because there was nowhere to hold the camera. But that is officially together. Along with this side. So they're pretty much mirrored. So that's wonderful. Off, off. Nothing changed in the bathroom. Off. Shower outside of some caulking and paint. Shower is done, which means Dad wanted this shut off a little bit better. I said, no, pass. So I'm gonna leave it exposed. And this is a shelf, and that is a shelf. Really, all three can be a shelf. Who cares? But we got gas, min to max, winter, nope, summer, water max to min. That tells you what the temperature of the water is. Water heater, gas inlet, gas hose connector, which is that. Water outlet, water inlet. You might be wondering, Randy, where are you going to put the shower head? I wanted to put it right there, but we did not. We will find out. Hey, that button means it shoots out right there. But we need to vacuum again. Off. Need to vacuum again. But that means outside of, we're going to put, get out of the way, step tread. Step tread. Why are you stuck in the washing machine? We're gonna put this in front of the water tank because Dad's wanting to hide that water tank. I said, man, we're getting fancy with this mug. But get that done. I never did go to Tractor Supply today and get that other 1.5 to 2 inch flex hose adapter, but this was on the top, that was on the bottom of the trailer. That joker's thicker than a cookout milkshake, but it's about the thickness of Tinker's 2x6. We did actually use more. We used the 2x8s on the top to screw the gray boards into. But yeah, it's about time that we turn it off. And just like that, air conditioning's off. And like I said, that brings us to the end of another day. I'm not going to worry about that gap. That gap is not affecting anything.
Daryl over at Metal Art Customs actually sent us a weather forecast for while we're in Florida on the 10th and 11th. And I think it's only supposed to be like 60s, maybe 70s. Today was mid to high 80s, so it was hot in here. We turned that Radada thing on, which is only 9,000 BTUs, and within 5 minutes was cooler in here. And most of the time, we didn't even have the door shut. I shut the door, and it started getting cold in here. So 550 square foot rating for 120 square foot, it's alright. But everybody, like I said 3 times now, that calls it the end of another wonderful day here at Never Done Projects. Tomorrow, Friday, I have to work. It's Good Friday, Friday before Easter. I will be working tomorrow, so whenever I get off of work, I will mosey my way on over here. What's left? Hold on, where's the list? Checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Randy's coming for your mom. Let's see. Don't know where my un la piece went, but let's see here. Build entrance door out of wide brown board, that's done. Clean out back a trailer, we will do that tomorrow. Hookups for dumping tank, we have 50% of that done. Like I said, the hardest part about that is drilling through the wood. Pepsi sign, again, we're not going to worry about that. Make way to lock trailer, again, we have an idea. Ladder for bed, idea, tracking and tie downs. Cover water tank angle for entrance wall. So basically nothing we did was on the list today, but that's okay. That was still a butt ton of progress, everybody. So I will see you on the next episode of Never Done Projects. You know that silly little YouTube channel you're watching right now. So remember, like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. Say, look what these idiots are doing. We can probably do it too. Thank y'all. Keep it silly.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you tomorrow for another episode of Never Done Projects. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. And tell them if these idiots can do it, we can too.